Hey, how's it going? So this is our week 9 video update, and so we wanted to show you we're pretty close to being complete with our training the chatbot, and we'll show it to you here. So basically, each intent acts like a tree. And I really want to show like a tree node here. So basically, each questions, you're able to add layers and layers of that particular question. And so when we're training the chatbot, it can get very detailed. I mean, having worked with algorithms, we can understand the mass amounts of nodes that we can create. So keep in mind when we're training our chatbot, we can create so many nodes within questions that we can answer something that's so very specific. And so this is, like we've mentioned, this is what takes the most of our time here. So we finished basically 467 here. We've added the modules here. We also demonstrated something in particular where we kind of dove into specific subjects here, and then we also worked on our CS344, which is operating system. We split it up working on assignments. We've got all these here, and we split up working on modules. Now within these modules, like we mentioned, you can get very specific. So for instance, in module 7, you've got these topics right here, and if we wanted to kind of get more specific into like pipes, we can add, do like a custom, right? And it creates another node for us to dive deeper into pipes. Now, obviously, being a two-man project, we really couldn't get too much into it, and so we just merely scratched the surface. Again, we've got something like modules 4 here. We go to assignments where we have different types of assignments, and so it's very unique. It can take like a whole year just to create something that's complete for a particular class. I mean, it's an amazing thing. We can sit down and we can create answers based off questions from Piazza throughout the whole year. That way students can actually get those answers in real time. And so that's the part of the training. The other part that we've been working on is, so initially when we were testing out the emulators, the web applications, we showed you guys the iPhone. Well, we wanted to kind of deploy a live, basically a live website. We'll include that into the link. So basically, this is our live chat right here on the right. On the left is the code that I've been working on, and on the right is basically a live update. So this is something very fast and we wanted to show you guys. So let's just test it out. And we'll provide this link as well, so you can play around with it. Of course, we're not complete with it. For instance, if you type in things that might not particularly be within our nodes, then it's going to ask you again. We're still working on that, and hopefully we'll have something more complete for you. But that's about it. I hope you enjoy.